Okay, I made a video the other day, beginner mistakes for an AR-15, and I recently bought this AK-47 from Century Arms, and I really like it. I love everything about it, but it's my first AK, so mistakes are bound to happen. And I've ran a AR-15 for years, and the way I handle it is when I'm done shooting, I always eject the magazine, and the gun's always on safe when on fire. So I eject the magazine, I ratchet back the slide, and fly out the extra bullet that's in the chamber. And on an AK, you can't do it the same way. And somebody who's used to running an AR-15 may not do the same mistakes I did, and I'll demonstrate right here. Like what you do is, you've been shooting, you're done, you're gonna put your gun up, eject the magazine, it's clear, okay, pop it back, nothing came out. It's clear, right? No, it's not clear. You gotta put it on fire, and then out comes the bullet. That's what I'd done yesterday, and thank God, I thought to think about it, but just in the pure sense of being safe at all times with firearms, thought I'd share it for you guys.